In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line with a specific length in AutoCAD. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with AutoCAD, knowing how to accurately create lines of a specified length is a foundational skill that will enhance your drafting precision and efficiency. To begin, the first step is to select the line tool. You can do this in one of two ways, either by clicking on the line option within the toolbar or by simply typing line directly into the command line and pressing enter. Using the command line is highly recommended because it often provides a quicker and more efficient means to access AutoCAD's powerful suite of tools, ultimately improving your workflow. Once you've activated the line tool, you'll need to place the first point of your line. This can be done with a simple click of your mouse. After setting your starting point, move your mouse in the direction where you want the line to extend. Here you have the flexibility to decide the path your line will follow. But what if you need your line to be of a specific length? The procedure is straightforward. Position the starting point of your line, aim your mouse toward the intended direction, and then, without clicking again, type the desired length of your line directly into the command line. This action tells AutoCAD precisely how long you want the line to be. For added convenience and enhanced visual guidance, consider enabling dynamic input by pressing F12 on your keyboard. This feature allows you to see the input box directly beside your mouse pointer, showing the length measurement as you draw, making it easier to visualize and adjust as needed without having to constantly look away at the command line. After entering the specific length, complete the operation by pressing enter. AutoCAD will automatically create a line of the exact length you specified, stretching it to the precise endpoint, regardless of how far you initially moved your mouse. And there you have it. AutoCAD has drawn a line that matches your chosen length. This simple technique ensures accuracy in your designs and is a fundamental skill that strengthens the precision of your projects. With these steps, you can seamlessly incorporate lines of any specific dimensions into your work, enhancing both your productivity and the quality of your drafts. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.